Do you have someone that would love this toolbox gift box this year?
If so, send me a DM and let me know whether you want the kit so you can have some fun assembling this yourself, or you can order the fully assembled box ready to go.
If you enjoy this type of content and want to see more, make sure you're following me on TikTok and subscribed on YouTube.
Also, please like this video and share it so you can help this video be seen by someone who needs to see it.
Okay, so after that's cut out, we're going to start assembling. So the first thing we're going to do is glue on that silver back piece for the bottom. This is going to help those wrench cutouts pop when the gift inside is removed. It's best to go ahead and fold all your pieces along the dotted lines before you start gluing.
We're going to glue box 1 first.
It's the one without the wrench cutouts.
And those tabs should be glued on the outside. By the way, if you are thinking about getting the kit or the gift box, the kits are just $12 and the gift box is $20.
I plan on doing a giveaway as soon as we hit 500 followers. You'll have to be following to be able to qualify.
Oh, and if you want to see what I got for Mother's Day, it'll be here tomorrow, which means we're going to be able to do much more than just vinyl and cardstock projects very soon. So if you want to see what that is, keep following. Work kind of quickly because you want to fit box 1 inside of box 2 before the glue completely sets. That way you can make adjustments to make sure they will fit inside of each other.
Then we'll fold, glue, and assemble the top of our box. Once that's glued, we will add in those 2 side pieces to cover up the places where it was glued down. Okay, now this is where it gets a little wild. It's going to be a little hard to keep up with if you're wanting to follow along for the sake of putting one together yourself. So when I get my first order for this particular project, I'll upload a slower tutorial version. Let me know what you think about this toolbox gift box. Is it not the absolute cutest thing you've ever seen? I just love the metal accents, and the lock really does fit together like a real lock. Anyone receiving this is going to be absolutely blown away at the amazing features of this one. It's going to be like they're receiving 2 gifts in one, and they can save this for many years to come. And you get to tell them that it's handmade or that you actually made it yourself. Regardless, you won't go wrong with this gift box. I just hope you can find a way to outdo yourself next year. Just so y'all know, not only do I have a really cool upgrade to our current DIY Cricut options, but I also just bought some DIY ceramic coasters and hanging ceramic signs. We're about to be making so much more than just cardstock projects here at Everything You Can Imagine, hence the name Everything You Can Imagine. The best part is you can order any of the things you see me DIY on here. Not only that, but many of the projects I have coming soon are all completely customizable. I'll also have bundled deals coming with upcoming videos. Eventually, you'll be able to order entire gift sets. We will be doing more cardstock gift boxes, party favor boxes, event and party decorations, and of course more greeting cards. But we will also be doing shirts and bags. Like I already mentioned, the coasters and small signs, which are perfect as bouquet or wreath charms. But there's also going to be leather items and wood items as well. You really don't want to miss all the things I'm now prepared to be able to do. Hopefully I can start getting these videos pushed out quicker so the inventory options and your options to order can grow as well. If you want to be the first to be able to grab discounts as well as added on freebies with your order, you can do so by joining my fan club. Fan club members will not only receive all of that, but will also get one-on-one video chats with me so you can see my material options in person or on video. So choosing patterns, colors, and more will be just that much easier. And of course, it doesn't have to be all about business. We can also chat and just get to know each other as well. I appreciate you watching this video. I hope you're feeling inspired to create something unique, as well as to support a fellow mom just trying to do something that her family can be proud of. And God willing, so my husband can stop working so much so he can spend more time with our 3-year-old daughter, 1-year-old son, and this baby girl who's due to enter this world by the first week of June 2026. I'd greatly appreciate it if you'd like this video. Follow on TikTok and subscribe if you're on YouTube. Do both if you're able to. And share this with somebody who would love to be able to gift this to someone this Father's Day. And don't forget, we're doing a giveaway on TikTok at 500 followers. And we'll do a giveaway on YouTube once we get to 4,000 subscribers as well. Thanks for watching.